eternal affairs sing to raise our spirits and break despair. Through the ashes of oblivion, quick and steam like the dragons of spring. For we owe no debts and bow to no king. Every war has its cost and we paid, won by the bond of the body we've made. War with the call that the battle starts now is the demons, and so we strike them down, fighting back the rifts of blood. Sent from the sky like some angel in need, give them news to strengthen and words to heed. Heaven's down and set alight, we're knocking on the gates of hell tonight. Broken souls and dragons' bones scattered all the way back home, beating to the sound of flashing steel. When the road out heals them, shed the tales and legends told, strengthened by the heels of old. Weathered out this writing from his throne, so we sing a triumphant song. Play out a spell in your sequence of chords to inspire and sharpen our rusted swords, echoing the whisper of the trees. Creep on the path where 1,000 gods fail, from the thick Western jungle trails. Come from afar to set prisoners free into dark tangled depths from the open sea. Broken souls and dragons' bones scattered all the way back home, beating to the sound of flashing steel. When the road out heals them, shed the tales and legends told, strengthened by the heels of old. Weathered out this writing from his throne, so we sing a triumphant song. Second chances don't come cheap, so keep alert and down your feet. An ancient spirit song will heal our wounds, unabashed by our defeats. Spot the bloodstains on these cobble streets, a message to